Wall Street closed out the rough week with modest gains on Friday. Investors took heart from the news that consumers are spending more than they have in recent months. Some buyers also came back after 2 days of declines. Emerging markets from countries such as China, Brazil, and India have been attractive for investors who like the potential returns. But as events in Russia have reminded us, there's also risk. Karina Huber reports.
The union of Crimea with Russia was met with applause and cheers in Russia's parliament. For investors with a stake in Russia, it was no cause for celebration. In response to Russia's behavior in Ukraine, the United States and European Union imposed personal sanctions against Russian and Crimean officials. The move hit Russia's main stock index, the MICX, hard. It is down by more than 10% so far this year.
There's been quite a bit of money pulled out of Russia at this point.
Will this have a ripple effect, causing investors to be wary of emerging markets in general? Not necessarily, says John Cray, strategist with S&P Capital IQ.
Emerging markets in general have to be assessed on a country-by-country basis, not even on a regional basis. We still think that Asia will show the firmest gains in terms of total returns.
In Asia, Cray is most enthusiastic about Indonesia and South Korea. He's less bullish on China because of its slowing growth. Emerging markets in general are facing a tough environment. Standard & Poor's Emerging Market Index is down more than 3% so far this year. Just 2 years ago, it was up by almost 20%. S&P's Latin America Index has fared even worse. It's down 5% year-to-date and was down 11% in 2013. Cray believes China's slowdown is the main reason. Commodity-rich countries like Brazil depend on China as a customer. When China slows down, commodity prices fall and Brazil's economy gets hit.
2013 as a whole, it wasn't a very good year, but and this year is not going to be probably much better. But there are pickings out there, there are opportunities for investment.
Other areas that Cray likes include Poland and Mexico, where its president, Peña Nieto, has been pushing for greater reform of its telecom and energy sectors. In Latin America, Cray also thinks Colombia is ripe for opportunity. Karina Huber, CCTV, New York.